Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. This is Urban Backyard Container Gardening, and I'm Moses. If you enjoy gardening, cooking, homesteading, you're in the right place. Grab your cup of coffee, sit back, and enjoy this video. While you're doing that, think about subscribing. If you are a first-time visitor, hit that like button. It doesn't cost you anything. In today's video, we are going to take a look at a new product that was sent to me in the mail, and I thought I would bring you along. My fall crops are coming along pretty well. My remaining spring vegetables are slowly but surely dying out. Like here, my cucumbers. And it looks like one of my cucumbers has something that dug into it. I'll get that in a minute. But I noticed on some of my plants that we have a little insect pressure. So we're going to try this new Peppermint insecticide that I got in the mail. So back in late July, a company called Smart Grower Organic reached out to me on Instagram and wanted to know would I be interested in a free bottle of their insecticide. So I said, sure, why not? And I received it in the mail. It works indoor and outdoor. It's made out of peppermint, and it has Castile soap in it, and a couple other ingredients, inert ingredients, and it's all organic. And all you do is really is just shake it up like this and spray it on the plant. They wanted me to see how I would like it, and maybe for a possible collaboration. So I'm going to spray some on my beans here where they have been being attacked by something. I don't know what, but we're going to go ahead and spray that. And then in a week to 2 weeks, we'll come back and see how it fared. Here, if you look closely, you'll see where this particular leaf has been eaten severely, and we have little telltale drops of poop, but I don't see anything. So I'm going to take the insecticide and just spray. And just like with any other spray that you do on your plants, if it rains, then you're going to have to come back and do it again because it will get washed off. But I'm going to spray both the top and the bottom of the leaves, and we want them to get drenched, and hopefully this will take care of my problem. These beans or black-eyed peas are starting to flower, and hopefully we'll get a decent harvest from them. So if you're interested in purchasing your own bottle of this, I'll leave their Amazon link in the description and comment portion of the video. So as I said, we'll come back in a few weeks, see how this worked on my plants, and maybe we'll go ahead and incorporate it in part of my routine for keeping my plants healthy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. Here on the homestead, we do gardening, cooking, homesteading, and living a simple life. If this appeals to you, you're in the right place. If you do subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.